Ladies and gentlemen, let me talk to the world just a little bit about most important thing for Myanmar situation. First of all, I would like to say Myanmar Army is drug addict army only one in the world. Myanmar Army is drug addict army only one in the world. That's why all Myanmar soldiers have been inhumane because most cruel, most terrorized, and most violent to all citizens. That's why this army is not for the country. This army is not for the country. Drug addict army and terrorist of crime organization, obviously. Because Myanmar is most drug selling country in the world. Myanmar is most drug selling country in the world. Even they forced to use drugs for their own soldier to follow their order. That's why most Myanmar soldiers have been bitten of drug addiction. Believe it or not, can be proved if medical exam. This is great danger for whole community, including new generation around the world, especially for people of Myanmar. That's why I want to request to war authority, please remove from Myanmar army those who are bitten of drug addiction. Also take a legal action against to those who drug cartel in Myanmar. Because Myanmar dictator and some EAO leader doing business with drug, online scam, human trafficking, money laundering, and Binami transaction around the world. Now, Myanmar dictator destroying to everything all online scam, including bedding and all equipment. After founding Skin Central for America, but they moved to new location. Port continue to do that, obviously. But who has responsibility? They cannot do nothing because most people believe politics is interest. That's why first priority is looking for money. Doesn't matter. This is great danger for future of the war. That's what I think. That's why some country, some company, some agency, and some people working for Myanmar dictator and doing business with Myanmar dictator. Obviously, I think politics is trying to create for better society and survey of greater noble thing for humanity. That's what I think. But politics is not for personal benefit. That's what I believe. One more thing. This is very important. That means so many different creatures live in this world, including human beings. But respect to rule and regulation, law and justice, and empathy each other by human only, not others creature. Because they are animal. That's why we must show respect to rule and regulation, law and justice, and empathy each other for approval of humanity. Because world community is human society, not animal society. That's what I believe. That's why I want to request to world community, please stand with people of Myanmar and against Myanmar dictator. Please stand with people of Myanmar and against Myanmar dictator. Because all international country and all agency is not associated with Myanmar dictator. That's what I believe. Because Myanmar dictator trying to create election for Myanmar without people agreement and during the revolution. How can it be possible? And who want to participate this election of criminal people? This is illegal. Because people make everything for the country, including approve for constitution and approve for election. Because sovereignty came from all citizens, all countries same way. That's why not become legitimate government for Myanmar after this election of criminal people. Not become legitimate government for Myanmar after this election of criminal people. Because Myanmar has been used democracy system. That means is of the people, by the people, for the people. That's why Myanmar people only make a decision for future of Myanmar, not others. Not others. Also, I would like to say, we become criminal, those who support to Myanmar dictator and working with Myanmar dictator, according to the rule and regulation, law and justice. Because this is conspiracy. This is conspiracy. Also, I would like to say, Myanmar is part of the world. Myanmar is part of the world. That's why Myanmar situation is war situation. Also, war situation is Myanmar situation. According to the geopolitics and globalization. That's why I want to request to world community. Please support to people of Myanmar and support to democracy revolution of Myanmar. Finally, I would like to say, without hate or love, what I say, everything to everyone, direct or indirect, just for a better world and better situation for Myanmar. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. God bless you all. God bless people of Myanmar.